Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this LC-dolida sleep mask. Now this is a Bluetooth sleep mask, so it has a speaker on each ear, and that allows you to listen to music, listen to soothing sounds before you fall asleep. This sleep mask is very plush, feels very nice, cooling by the way. It also has skin-friendly material and it's not going to fall off your head. The thing I like is that this USB-C charging cord can easily get tucked away in here and get out of the way. It's got this Velcro closure. You simply put it around your head like so, and then you just close it with the Velcro. That's not going anywhere. And as you can see, it doesn't impede at all. Whether you sleep on your side, whether you sleep on your back, you're gonna get a nice experience no matter what. I used this on a recent vacation, got the best sleep I've gotten in a while. This comes with a USB-C charging cord, of course, and then it comes with this carry bag. Overall, this is a great gift for pretty much anybody who likes to travel, anyone who wants to get quality sleep, or of course you can use it for yourself, use it in the office when you're trying to catch some Z's, or just sleeping at home. Overall, I highly recommend this for everybody. Thanks for watching.